Jamaican.
So we are coming here with a force. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends who take off with me load. One time they sit down in a class and report that only set the road and me one with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic player thing. Yeah, see me all dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello brother. I had to shut ya. Saw your post to spend, that is a photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your source. Can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, the blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends who take off the load. One time they sit down in a class and report that only set the road and me go on with it, come on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah know tell me passion ignite.